Hey guys, so today we will be making these three eco-friendly, or you can say organic Holi colors. So let's get on with the video. So now we got some turmeric powder and put this in this bowl. Now we're just going to put a little bit of water. Now I'm going to mix it. For the turmeric powder and the water, we will need this consistency. Okay? And now we're going to put some cornstarch. To make it powdery. Now let's try to clean it up now. Hey sis, you want to try one? Yeah. Let's make the red one now. Okay. Put it inside. You know how to make it? Yeah. Wait. Not like that. You have to take some spoons of it. Oh, okay, give me. I'll take some spoons. That's it. Now, okay, now we're going to, in this, it's already a little watery. Okay, now we're gonna, straight up put some cornstarch. Wait. Woo! Some more. Okay. Woo! It's raining cornstarch. Yay! Wait. Let me just adjust it a little. Some more water. Hey, don't put water. Hey, it's already juicy. Mighty not. Okay, let's put more cornstarch. So if you guys want a dark color of the colors, we'll need to add more of the beetroot mash. And so I'm going to make a thick consistency of this so it can dry up fast. Because we want to play. Yeah, you can put just a little bit more cornstarch. Just a little. A little more. A little less than that. There you go. Put it in. No. Okay, just a little bit more. Whoa, guys. This thing is looking like a very maroony purple. Wait, not like that. What? Just a pinch. Okay, a little too pinch. Not that. Okay, that's the consistency we need. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side now. So guys, our two colors are made. Yeah. Yellow color with turmeric powder and maroonish purple with beetroot mash. So let's make the green together. Yeah. Okay? Let's take 2 spoons for this. Inside? No. I take this out. Okay, so first we're going to... The small one is mine. This one is too watery. So we're going to put like maybe lots of cornstarch. That's enough. Yours is a big stuff. Yeah. Okay, that's the spinach mash. I want to put the cornstarch. Wait, guys, it's already so watery. Put more cornstarch. Yeah. That's it. Just try mixing now. Yeah. Slow. It's so chunky a little. Yeah. So the Holi colors are ready. I let these Holi colors dry for 1 day and I grinded them to be this powdery texture. Look. Perfect. And I have been waiting so much that I asked everyone, is the Holi color ready? Is the Holi color ready? And finally, it's ready. And I'm so happy that these are so eco-friendly, organic, and 0% chemical. So, but the red one turned out a little bad, but we have 2 colors popping. Hey sis, come on. Okay. We need to play with our eco-friendly Holi colors. Are they ready? Yeah, come on. Okay. Look. Let's play. Yeah. I'm gonna first touch the green. You can just put it on. Whoa, okay. It's gonna get messy. Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So much fun. Okay, I hope you guys make these at home because I'm so happy. So much fun! Peace! Happy Holi! Let me put it on you.